Hi everybody, that's me. Today I show you a couple ways to prepare repair mango for yourself. When you have a mango at home, or you buy the mango, the whole fruit. And here, let me show you a couple ways to do it. Normally, I just peel like traditional way. This one you just take slowly to peel a little bit at a time, the small piece at a time. This way, I think this is a smooth one. It's a pretty, the nice after cutting. See, this mango kind of, the skin kind of little thin. Okay, when you peel halfway like this, look, this way is look very nice, right? And you cut it by pieces. Normally this is the side. I cut two sides and another 3 sections. There's 6 of them. I just put the knife here, kind of close to the C, and you just, when you kind of hard to cut, that means you touch to the C, so you have to lift your knife a little bit up, so easy for you to. That's it. And then you turn it around this side. See, it's a smooth, nice, beauty. Cut one more time, one again, right here. And this side. And this side. In the C. Here, finally. That's the end. That's after one mango. That's here, the skin, and after all. It's good, it's nice, and it's healthy, and it's safe. So it's safe because you peel the skin and you eat it right away. You don't have to leave getting more virus in. So that's the one way to repair a mango for yourself. Next, let me show you another way. This my way. It's a traditional way, and most people do this way. Asian countries, they do this way, the way I just showed you. Let me show you another way to do it. This way, I see the people on the internet, they do it. It's not me. I learned from them. You cut, let me see, how's that? Okay, just put the knife here kind of close to the seed and you slice down. And but this way you need a last. Let me see how they do. They do this way. They put the mango right at the last. I have never done this before. I saw they did on the YouTube, so I want to show you. I'm not pro yet. Probably this work very well with the one with the thick skin, but this is just oh, it's well. This kind of thin skin, so it's kind of a little bit harder. Oops. Still have one piece. Okay, this is kind of mess. Because my first time to do it, so it's a little mess, but that's the easy way. Let me grab the mango, have the thicker skin, so I show you, because that's the kind of the thing, the skin's kind of so thin. You see I have too many mangoes, right? Let me try this one. It's kind of a little thicker. Kind of close to the seed. Like I said, if you cut through a seed, it's hard for you to cut. Lift the knife a little bit up. Okay, here. Probably this time I'm kind of pro. Oh, I think this way you need to twist like this. It's getting more. That's easier for you to do it. Not bad. It's right. So you practice a couple times and you can do it. Let me go back for the skinny one. So how does work that way? Okay. Here, the skinny one. Let's see. Okay, I got it now, but it's still on the skin a lot. So for this one, got the spoon. Have it. Yeah. Okay. Next, another way to do it. Get this one. See, you hold it. When I cut it to see, I have to lift the little knife up. Okay. This way, I see in the box of the mango, they ship from Mexico to Orlando. They show the picture, so you cut in half. I think this way. I guess so. And you just like this. And then you eat. Probably I not pro on this yet. Kind of mess. I think it's 3 ways to make it. Let me show you another way. Uh, one more. I think I did it wrong. I think you have to just slide like that, not cut through. Just a slide. Oh, the last time I just wrong. Yeah, just a slide it and not cut through the skin. And then you just push up like this. And then you peel it out, or just put in your mouth, like your mouth, and eat it like that. That is how. Okay, so far 3 ways to do it. Let me show you one more. You still cut in half. And then, that's the easy way. Unless the mango is not don't have too much fiber. This one a lot of fiber. And you just do it like that. Or you just like that. Here. A 4-way. That's how you eat. If you take it to cut for preserve, this one, you not eat by yourself, you let for the other people to eat. Just circle your spoon around and take it out like this. That is another way to do it. That's so far, I think 4 or 5 ways to do it already. So when I got another way to do it, I will show you again. See, now I'm pro. I did it faster. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Okay. You probably want to see how the mess I did right here.